Yo, what's up? Finally, I'm back. It's been a solid 3 days since I've made a video, and today I want to teach you about, I want to show you my process on making a piece. So I'm going to go through the whole thing. I'm not really going to show you like every single step, because then that'd be hella boring, but it's kind of like very tedious. So I'm gonna do my best to show you this in the easiest, quickest, most aesthetic way possible, so that you can get the most out of this experience. So here we go.
Hip-hop is a way of life, a way of thinking.
So here, I am drawing the basic shape. I use pretty much anything for a ruler. If it's straight and it's hard, that sounded so wrong, but I will use it. R.I.P. crusty hands. Struggle is real. What's funny is that I never know exactly how they will turn out. It's so process oriented that you just never know what you're gonna do next. Oh, and thank me for putting down the volume of that, actually.
Perfect.
As you can see, I like to keep the area very clean and tidy. No trash. But this is as far as I've gotten with this project, so stay tuned next week to see the complete product.
Alright, thank you guys for watching this whole process. Of course the project isn't finished, so I'm going to be making a second video that has the finished product in it. And yeah, then it'll be done, and then you can buy it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to comment whatever you want. You know, just tell me how beautiful I am, or if you can recommend songs to me to listen to on my own free time, or to put in one of my videos. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Like it and subscribe. Be sure to put on the bell notification so that you know whenever I post a new video. But you already know the schedule, come on. In other news, thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.